Glycogen supplementation, performance, nutrient digestibility, digestive organ profiles of broiler chickens and mental analysis, effects of Japanese supplementation, effects of Japanese supplementation, performance, nutrient digestibility, and digestive organ profiles of broiler chickens. Enzymes, supplementation in broiler feed. Enzymes supplementation in broiler feeding is being applied to optimize animal food utilization and reduce feed production costs. One of the enzymes widely used in the broiler industry is xylanase, which breaks down complex fibrous compounds in feed, such as non-starch polysaccharides, to simple utilizable sugar molecules to simple utilizable sugar molecules. One of the enzymes widely used in the broiler industry is xylanase, which breaks down complex fibrous compounds in feed, such as non-starch polysaccharides, to simple utilizable sugar molecules. However, the effects of xylanase enzymes on broiler growth performance, nutrient digestibility, and organ function in broiler chickens were variable and inconclusive. However, the effects of xylanase enzymes on broiler growth performance, nutrient digestibility, and organ function in broiler chickens were variable and inconclusive. Therefore, the current study aimed to evaluate the effect of the xylanase enzyme in feed on the performance, nutrient digestibility, and digestive function of parrots using meta-analysis approaches. Parrots, P-R-R-O-T-S, parrots. Parrots. A database in 140 points obtained from 53 articles was analyzed using a mixed model methodology. The results showed that the xylanase enzyme supplementation increased the broiler's body weight gain and decreased the feed consumption and feed conversion ratio. In starch, gross energy, fat, phosphorus, and calcium. In addition, xylanase supplementation also increased nutrient digestibility, such as dry matter, crude protein, starch, gross energy, fat, phosphorus, and calcium. Concerning broiler overweights, xylanase supplementation in broiler feed significantly reduced the weight of the duodenum small intestine. The weight of the duodenum small intestine and relative length duodenal, jejunal, and ileum. Xylanase supplementation also can help to reduce the relative weight of proven trichomes. Keyword: roller chickens, starch, polysaccharides, performance, xylanase enzymes. Introduction. The utilization and efficiency of feeds are critical factors for improving the performance and production rate in the livestock industry. The utilization and efficiency of the feeds are critical factors for improving the performance and production rate in the livestock industry, including the broiler chicken. High fiber content in the feedstuffs is a major issue in broiler chicken feeding that affects feed utilization and efficiency. Hence, it is difficult to optimize the expected result of broiler production due to the inability of broiler chickens to utilize feed compounds and increase the production costs resulting from low feed efficiency. Some dietary interventions have been applied to increase feed nutritional values. And improve livestock production efficiently. Researchers' interests are currently focusing on enzyme utilization. Supplemented in the ration to increase feed nutritional values and reduce livestock production costs. For instance, non-starch polysaccharide, a complex fiber compound in feedstuff. Complex fiber compound in feedstuff is difficult to digest properly by monogastric animals such as poultry. Non-starch polysaccharide, a complex fiber compound in feedstuff. The insufficient ability of poultry to digest ASD compounds is due to the lack of specific enzymes in their digestive tract that can dissolve undigestible fiber compounds like NSP in broiler chickens. Hence, some studies reported utilizing the xylanase enzymes in the broiler's ration, and some studies reported utilizing the xylanase enzyme in broiler ration to increase broiler chicken feed nutritional values and digestibility. Some studies reported utilizing the xylanase enzyme in the broiler's ration to increase broiler chicken's feed nutritional value and digestibility. Xylanase is an enzyme that can dissociate plant cell walls and reduce hemicellulose integrity and the viscosity of the feed consumed in the broiler digestive system. Thus, the released feed nutrients may be Released feed nutrients may be optimally utilized and improve broilers' performance. Thus, the released feed nutrients may be optimally utilized and improve broilers' performance. Besides reducing the viscosity of intestinal content, the xylanase enzyme is also known to possess the growth-promoting effect and appear to be partly related to the modulation of gut microflora. Besides reducing the viscosity of intestinal content, the xylanase enzyme is also known to possess the growth-promoting effect and appearing to be partly related to the modulation of gut microflora. Such improvement may increase the feed efficiency of broiler chicken. However, studies concerning the effects of xylanase on broiler chickens' performance, nutrient digestibility, and digestive organs are varied and remain inconclusive. Studies concerning the effect of xylanase on broiler chickens' performance, nutrient digestibility, and digestive organs are varied and remain inconclusive. It is necessary to summarize the published data to determine the effects of xylanase on broiler chickens. Therefore, the current study evaluated the impact of dietary xylanase supplementation on broiler chickens' performance, internal organs, and nutrient digestibility by summarizing research data from various published articles. Therefore, the current study evaluated the impact of dietary xylanase supplementation on broiler chickens' performance, internal organs, and nutrient digestibility by summarizing research data from various published articles. Continuous methods database development. The database was built from published articles related to the study of xylanase utilization on broiler chickens. The database was built from published articles related to the study of xylanase utilization on broiler chickens. Articles were obtained from Scopus, Google Scholar, NCBI, and Science Direct search engines. Using xylanase performance, fiber, and broiler chicken keywords. Scopus, Google Scholar, NCBI, and Science Diet Research. Articles that were included in the database must exceed to the following criteria. They described experiments on broiler chickens. Treatments were based on the level of xylanase supplementation in basal feeds, and they must include data on broilers' growth performance, organ weight, internal organ, orthometrics, and the articles were written in English. Data from these articles were rigorously selected to be included in the database following some selection stage. Figure 1. A total of 140 data points representing treatments from 53 articles were included in the database table 1. Articles expressed the Japanese supplementation unit as the international unit values recognized and expressed as per 1000 IU. Data included performance parameters. International unit values were homogenized and expressed as per 1000 international unit. Data included performance parameters, heart rate gain, feed consumption, feed conversion ratio, nutrient digestibility, dry matter, glucose energy, fat starch, protein, phosphorus, calcium digestibility, relative weight of internal organs, and digestive tract, proventriculus, liver, pancreas, kidney, duodenum, jejunum, small intestine, cecum, relative length of the duodenum, ileum, cecum, and international corporal metrics. Data expressed in different units were converted and adjusted into that of specific units to allow direct analysis. Direct analysis within specified parameters. The statistical summary of the database included in the meta-analysis in table 2.